Good morning, Year 7. Miss Kelly Smith here. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Welcome to our Year 7 celebration of achievement for 2020. So, of course, our annual Year 7 celebration of achievement is a little bit different this year, and I am sad that we're not all able to come together in the hall like we would normally do with our Year 7s at this time of year. However, I hope that you will still enjoy watching through this PowerPoint and trying to spot your own name or the names of your friends on the slides that are to come. So first up, we have our subject awards. So every class teacher for Year 7 has been asked to nominate one student from their class for the effort that they've shown this year and one student from their class for the achievement or for what that student's managed to achieve in their subject this academic year. So first up, we have our amazing artists who were nominated for the effort that they've shown. So well done to Catherine, Andreochna, Marina and Alicia. And our second round of amazing artists nominated for their achievement in art this academic year. Congratulations to Charlotte, to Maya, to Raisa and to Kiara. Now we have our students who have been awarded for their excellent effort in citizenship this academic year. So congratulations to Paige, to Ziona, to Eleni, to Trinity, Narissa, Matilda, Gia and Amara. Congratulations. And students who are being recognised for their excellent achievement in citizenship this year are Ariane, Tharuka, Miriam, Megan, Sophia, Samantha, Katie and Maya. Congratulations. So now we come to computer science. So these are our students who are clearly excellent with technology. So students who have shown excellent effort in computer science this year, congratulations to Chloe, Aisha, Charlie, Manishi, Ria, Somali, Abir, April, Ria and Gigi. And our technical whiz kids, students who have shown exceptional achievement in computer science this year. Well done to Lois, Sabui, Amelia, Shayuri, Julizia, Imani, Grace, Olivia, Tiana and Maria. Here we have our dancing stars, so congratulations to the following students for the excellent effort that they've shown in their dance lessons this academic year. Big well done to Afua, Melissa, Angelica, Madison, Catherine, Riley, Gia and Millie. Well done. And our students who have shown excellent achievement in dance this year, well done to Ariane, Hattie, Eleni, Abby, Sophia, Jessica, Amber and Jasmine. Congratulations. Now we come to our drama queens. So these are students who have shown exceptional effort in drama this academic year. Well done to Ariane, Megan, Millie, Grace, Sophia, Lily, Ellie and April. Fantastic work, girls. Well done. And students who have shown fantastic achievement in drama this academic year, a big well done to Olivia, Eliza, Eleni, Megan, Catherine, Riley, Lois and Jasmine. Congratulations to all of you. So now we come to our handy students who have shown excellent effort in design technology this academic year. Big well done to Afua, Millie, Arista, Malia and Isla. Congratulations to all of you. And our students who have shown outstanding achievement in DT this year, well done to Charlie, Sophia, Lily and Madison. Congratulations. Now we come to our excellent English students. So these students have shown amazing effort this academic year. Well done to Marley, Roxy, Karnika, Zoe, Tavashni, Vida, Isa and Grace. Congratulations. And all of these students have shown amazing achievement in English this year. Well done to Jalazia, Olivia, Karika, Ariane, Amy, Ria, Sophia and Megan. Well done to all of you. So these students have been cooking up a storm this year and the following students have shown exceptional effort in food technology this year. Well done to Muskan, Mia, Imarsha, Kyla and Emily. Congratulations. And our other group of master chefs this year have been Chloe, Olivia, Tavashni, Eliza and April, demonstrating excellent achievement in food technology. Well done to all of you. Now we come to our linguists. So for French, students showing excellent effort in French this year. Well done to Rosie, to Varshni and Isabel. Congratulations. And Charlotte and Alicia have shown excellent achievement in French this academic year. So well done to all of our linguists in French who have been recognised on this slide and the last. Well done to all of you, or perhaps I should actually be saying très bien. Here we have our geographers now. So these students have shown excellent effort in geography this academic year. So a big well done to Jayochna, Afua, Lily, Sahana, Marwa, Eliza, Charlotte, Louise and Gracie. Well done to all of you for your effort in geography. And these students have also demonstrated excellent achievement in their geography lessons this academic year. So a big well done to Riley, Olivia, Amy, April, Hattie, Catherine, Abigail, Tia and Jemima. Congratulations. More talented linguists now with our slides about students who have been doing very well in German this year. So a big well done to Cameron, Amy Louise and Ramesa. Congratulations to all of you. Aisha, Ria, Amy and Amy have also shown excellent achievement this year in German, which is absolutely fantastic, or perhaps I should say sehr gut. So well done to all of you girls, congratulations. Now we have our heroic historians who have made exceptional effort in history over the course of this academic year. So a big well done to Imogen, Ramaya, Karnika, Rita, Catherine, Raisa, Saburi, Gracie and Katie. Well done all of you. And our historians who are being recognised for excellent achievement. Well done to Jennifer, Bethany, Maya, Aisha, Ria, Hattie, Alicia, Isabella and Nashorna. Congratulations to all of you. Our marvellous mathematicians are up next. So congratulations to all of these students for showing excellent effort in their maths lessons over the course of this academic year. Well done to Mary, Barbie, Samine, Jasmine, Catherine, Chloe, Melissa, Tavashni, Sambhavi and Megan. Congratulations. And our marvellous mathematicians who are being recognised for their fantastic achievement in maths this year are Jalazia, Afua, Arista, Matilda, Karnika, Manishi, Apina, Vida, Thanu and Sahana. Congratulations all of you. Here we come to our creative musicians now. So congratulations to Afua, Riley, Isabel, Millie, Charlie, Melissa, Tavashni and Sophia for showing excellent effort in your music lessons this academic year. And a big well done to Olivia, Gigi, April, Zoe, Eleni, Chloe, Catherine and Flavia for demonstrating excellent achievement in music this academic year. Well done to all of you. Now we've got our sportswomen of Year 7, so a big well done to the following students for demonstrating such fantastic effort in your PE lessons. Well done to Maya, Melissa, Ria, Gigi, Olivia, Flavia, Annie and Ria. Congratulations. So perhaps we have some future Olympians amongst the students listed on this slide. Congratulations to the following students for their excellent achievement in their PE lessons this academic year. Well done to Georgia, Demi, Angelica, Tia, Nashorna, Carolina, Chloe and India. Well done. These are students who have shown amazing effort in their religious education lessons. So a big well done to Maya, Ellie, Cara, Isabel, Sophia, Flavia, Amber and India. Absolutely fantastic. Well done to all of you. And our students who have achieved especially highly in RE this academic year are Amy, Dana, Tavashni, Ria, Tia, Isla, Gia and Tanzila. Congratulations, girls. Here we have some superstar scientists. So congratulations to Miriam, Elishba, Lola, Imogen, Katie, Jessica, Zoe, India, Alana and Kovagini for your excellent effort in your science lessons this year. Well done. And more amazing scientists. Congratulations to Catherine, Tavashni, Nixia, Roxy, Hattie, Dana, Edie, Ruby, Arista and Ava, you have all shown amazing achievement in your science lessons this academic year. Congratulations. So it's time to say hola to our last lot of linguists. So here we have students who have demonstrated fantastic effort in their Spanish lessons. So well done, Jasmine, and well done, India. And we've got our Spanish students who have shown amazing achievement in their Spanish lessons. So that's Elishba, Sophia, and Isabelle. Congratulations, girls. Now we come to our tutor awards. So your form tutors were asked to nominate students across 4 different categories, and we are going to see now who has been nominated and in which category. So tutor awards for overall progress this academic year have been awarded to Isabel, Isla, Narissa, Charlotte, Sahana, Louise, Alishba and Ziona. Congratulations all of you. Next up, we've got our Tutor Award for Service to the Community. So a big well done to Arista, Hattie, Precious, Jemima, Elena, Megan, Amy and Tabitha. Well done, girls. Then we've got our Tutor Award for Service to the School. So a big well done to Marie, Catherine, Jochna, India, Angelica, Kira, Amelia and Melissa. Congratulations. And finally, for our Tutor Awards, we've got a Tutor Award for Overall Achievement this academic year. So a big well done to Jasmine, Isabelle, Raisa, April, Tavashni, Abigail, Ariane and Eliza. Absolutely fantastic. You've clearly worked incredibly hard this year. Well done, all of you. So we've got Head of Year Award now to kind of round up our celebration of achievement. Now, because I clearly have not even had the opportunity yet to meet all of you properly in person, I had to ask the ever reliable and ever excellent Miss Stanley for a little bit of help here. So she had some discussions with a couple of the tutors and things, and she's had a look on Sims, and so she has made that final decision of who's going to get the Head of Year award for this academic year. So a big congratulations goes to Rita in 7PK2. Now Rita got the most HAPs in the year groups, that's 231 in total, and those were awarded to her from a whole spectrum of teachers, so she was getting those in a huge variety of subjects, you know, in her lessons. Rita had fantastic attendance at 98.29%, and she also got mainly ones for attitude to learning and behaviour for learning in her progress reviews. So overall, Rita, you have been absolutely fantastic throughout your time in Year 7, and Miss Stanley felt very strongly that you were a standout candidate for this award. So a big well done to you, and keep up your hard work next year in Year 8. So I'd like to end our celebration of achievement assembly by saying absolutely big congratulations to every single student who was nominated for an award recognised for their achievement, their effort, or any of the tutor awards. You've all done exceptionally well, and it was lovely to see so many students being recognised by teachers. If you didn't get nominated or recognised, then please don't feel too disheartened. Staff always find it incredibly difficult because they're only allowed to pick one student for achievement and one student for effort in each class, so and it often is an incredibly tough kind of decision to make. So remember that things like HAPs are also still a great recognition of how well you've been doing this academic year, and I'm sure that we'll see lots more names on these slides. Well, actually, hopefully this time next year we won't be needing to do this on slides. We can do it in person together in an assembly. But thank you very much for watching, and I just wish you a really fantastic summer holidays when they arrive on Thursday afternoon. I hope that you all take an opportunity to have a proper break and a proper rest from remote schooling, and a rest for your parents and carers too. Remember, there will be some work set for you on Show My Homework for those of you who want to keep your minds active. Maybe have a couple of weeks complete kind of detox from schoolwork, and then if you feel you'd like to still keep your mind active, if you're looking for something to do, perhaps if we're unlucky enough to get any bad weather at any point during the break, then there will be work set for you on Show My Homework by your normal normal teaching staff. And lastly, I'm just really looking forward to being able to meet all of you in person properly in September. So happy holidays and well done for finishing Year 7, girls. You've all done fantastically well. Take care.